What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the top side hustles you should be doing in 2026 to start the year off. So these are going to be side hustles that I did in 2025 that I recommend for you guys to do. The first side hustle on my list is one of the most underrated side hustle out there, and not a lot of people know about this, and it's selling trade lines. I've been selling trade lines over a year now, and it's a really great side hustle. There's not much work involved. It's one of those things where you set it up and go. If you have no idea what selling trade lines is, it's basically where you get paid to add someone to your credit card as an authorized user. So the reason why someone would actually pay you to add them as an authorized user on their credit card is because they want a credit boost. Let's say they want to get a car loan, but their credit is not established or they have no credit at all. Once you add them to your credit card as an authorized user, they get that credit history, and now their credit score go up and they're able to get approved for a car loan or an apartment, whatever the case may be. And you're just adding these people on your credit card for about 2 months. And after that, you just take them off. The company I use to sell trade line is GFS Group. I've been working with them for over a year now, and the results been great. With the way the economy is heading in 2026, this is going to be a great year for selling trade lines. If you're interested in selling trade lines, I'm going to put a link in my description for you to sign up and create your GFS Group account. Also, you can go on their website, gfsgroup.org. They have a lot of information on their website about selling trade lines and about getting started. In my experience, if you have a Discover card, a Barclay, a US Bank, or Navy Federal, those cards tend to get booked even more. Like my Discover card, once I add an open slot on there, I usually get an order by the next day. So make sure you guys hop on this. It's a really great side hustle. The next side hustle on my list is DoorDash. So I've been doing DoorDash for years now. You know, sometime I'm on and off, but it's one of those side hustles that's always gonna be there, especially when you need some quick money. I even seen a viral video lately where a rapper was doing DoorDash because his music weren't selling as much. So he started doing DoorDash to pay his bills. So I definitely recommend DoorDash in 2026. I'm pretty sure by now everyone is familiar with DoorDash. You're basically just delivering food. I did it for a while in 2025. And it was still great. I still made good money. With DoorDash, the way you make money is by cherry picking. You don't want to take every order. You want to take the orders that make sense. Some people do $1 per mile. So I try to do that as well. And I also try to do the higher paying orders, like the order that's paying $15, $20, even though it's more miles I have to drive, but I like doing those orders so I can make a good chunk of money at once instead of doing the $4 orders or the $5 orders. I rather just take a $20 order, even though it's going to take me an hour to finish. Next on my list is Amazon Flex. So I started doing Amazon Flex in 2025. At first, it didn't really make sense for me, and that's because I didn't know what I was doing. But after a while, it started to make more sense and I continued doing it. So with Amazon Flex, you're basically just delivering Amazon packages. So you are a third-party contractor for Amazon. You do need your own car for this. On the Amazon Flex app, you're going to pick up shifts, and then you go to the warehouse, pick up the packages, and then deliver them to the Amazon customers. From my experience, the key to making money on Amazon Flex is by accepting the higher paying shifts. They'll have shifts on there for $100 for 4 or 5 hours. I feel like taking those shifts are better than taking the ones that's $54 for 3 hours because you end up doing the same amount of driving. It just makes more sense to do the higher paying order. Try to stay away from the lower paying ones because it's not going to be worth it once you have to put gas and all your expenses. The next side hustle on my list is day trading. So day trading is when you're buying stocks and you're selling them the same day or the next day. This isn't something I talk about much on here because you do need money to do the side hustle. You buy the stocks hoping that it goes up the same day. Before getting started in this, I would definitely recommend you guys doing some research and learning more about day trading first before hopping in because there is some risk involved. That's why I don't really talk about trading on my channel because there is risk involved. I'd rather talk about side hustles that don't require money to make money. So like your DoorDash or Amazon Flex, you don't need any money to get started in those, but you do need a car. If you don't have a car, that's where this will come in. you could trade stocks. And once you learn how to trade stocks, you could get even more technical in advance and start trading options. You do need a good amount of money to get started. I'll say maybe a couple $100s. Of course, the more money you have, the better it be. But for trading options, that one has more risk involved. That's something for you guys to look into. This is a good side hustle for people that don't have a car or don't like driving. Do some research online, or maybe you can watch some courses online about day trading and day trading stock options. So the next side hustle on my list is content creation. We are in an era where everyone is creating content. That industry is growing. We have newer platforms and newer features like TikTok. We have live streaming now with Twitch and Kick. We have Instagram Reels. We have Facebook. There's so much ways for you guys to create content. Of course, we have YouTube, where you could start creating videos on YouTube. And creating content is really a great side hustle. Anyone could do it. You could create content around anything. It's a new year now. Maybe one of your New Year resolution is to work on your weight loss. That's a journey you can document. Every day you could upload a video of your weight loss transformation. You could post those. And with creating content, you could end up getting brand deals, and you could also do affiliate marketing. So just by creating content and getting a following, you could have companies reach out to you to promote their product or services, and you can get paid from that as well. The next side hustle on my list is being a freelancer. There are companies like Fiverr and Upwork. You could complete tasks or services for people and get paid. I've been on Fiverr for a few years now, and I make pretty good money on there. There's many different things you could do on Fiverr and Upwork. You could do social media marketing, you could build a website, whatever skills or whatever you're good at, whatever you like doing, you could actually get jobs and make money for those skills by being a freelancer. So definitely look into Fiverr and Upwork. And the last side hustle on my list is going to be selling items on eBay. Recently, I just sold 2 pair of jeans and my old laptop that broken. You know, I was going through my closet and I seen some old pair of jeans that I never even worn before. They were just sitting in my closet, and I just decided to let me post them on eBay, and sure enough, they sold. I had a computer, a MacBook that just broke and stopped working, so I decided to post it on eBay, and that also sold. All that happened within a week. So I definitely think that if you guys have things around the house that you no longer have use for, you can just get rid of it, post it on eBay. People will buy it. With eBay, you have to ship the items to your customers. If you don't want to do the shipping process, you could just put them on Facebook Marketplace and people will buy them there as well. That's it for this video. I just wanted to come on here and talk about the side hustles I did in 2025 that I recommend for you guys to do in 2026. Let's start the year off right. Let's start making some money. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment.